This video lesson is about how to use the line of action, in this case going from the leg right up to here through the arm, and coming this way, just a gentle, very gentle curve, a very soft S. So this video is about how to draw this this kind of figure. I'll be doing lots of tips on how to draw throughout the lesson. So I hope you can watch it till the end, and please subscribe to me and give me a thumbs up, and especially I'd love to get some comments. So let's get into it. So we start off with a center line. I'm drawing the figure. She's it's part of the kind of cosplay tradition. I'll show you the picture in a moment. I just want to block this head in. I'm working on a 14 by 17.5 centimeter manga paper in this rectangle. And right, the first thing we can do is just work out the line of action. Okay, so it just comes out like so, and comes to about here. So that's one line straight from the head, just comes straight down like so. It's a samurai pose, if you like. So that's one line that we've got the figure in, and this one a bit further out, and this one goes straight up here to her arm. Okay, so two lines of action. I'll show you the picture now. Okay, so we've got this very nice dynamic pose, and as I was showing you, the line of action goes down like that, and then straight up here. And I notice the space there. We'll also look at this space here, but that's very important to get that right, so you can get the gesture right. So it's a game to her. It's part of a sort of fashion that started here in Japan in the 80s. People dressing up as manga and anime characters, their favorite characters, and it's terrific to get this. So we'll just flesh this out a little bit. So we've got the halfway point. I think I'll just double check the angle of that there. Yeah, just slightly out there. Okay, just keep lines really loose at the moment, so we don't tighten up and lock ourselves into a position that, or a pose that we're not happy with. Okay, so let's flesh that out. It's got a lovely high waist because this hip is really pushing out. So I might look at that now, just looking at that line there. That's a beautiful line. So that will come right in line with that leg. So just below here will be a skirt, and likewise to here. Okay, so feet are down here. Okay, so look what we've got, and we might check the angle of this too. So right, try that again. Just check the angle. Spot on. Okay, we can move ahead now. So what I do is look at the position of that compared to her head. Just make a slight angle like that. So as we can see, it comes to about here. We've got a hand that's going to go somewhere in there. If we look, we can't see, it's not a very good photo of the hand, but we can see that it just grips that about there in relation to her head, that hand at that angle. See, so hand will be maybe a little tiny bit lower, just about there. That'll be her hand. And at the back we've got another one. Now I want to just work on this back a bit more too. Okay, that tucks in beautifully like so. Okay, so that comes in like there. I might have this a bit high. I'll just rethink that. Yeah, maybe just slightly too high. Coming from her elbow here, come down from her elbow. So that's her elbow, come down about here. If I trace a line from here, I can see that that hand is going to be in there somewhere. Okay, so that's about there. Yeah, okay, I think that's almost got it. All right, I want to see how far this skirt is there. So you take a vertical line and you can see from the head, right, it's got to come out further, you see that? Okay, and do the same with this part of the skirt. Take a vertical, and it's pretty much the same. So come out there, that's pretty right, that one. I want a background with a one-point perspective, and just before I start working on our lady friend here, I'm going to use this vanishing point, and I'd like to do some pavement. Yeah, you don't have to be too geometric about it, but I'll just for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you an approach that you could use. So there's our little samurai cosplay girl. Remember the main point with this was that line of action, like so and like so. And I changed the background quite a bit. I wanted to just try to give a bit more depth to the picture. Of course, this is a sketch. It's not a finished product, but I hope you got something out of it. I'm trying my best to produce as many videos of value for you. So if you found it valuable, please subscribe to my channel and support me. And please leave a comment. I'd love to get some feedback from my subscribers. So until the next video, keep drawing and don't give up. You'll get there. Thank you so much.